Now let's briefly talk about the computer hardware. More specifically, we'll talk about the CPU, main memory, and input and output devices. So let's talk about the CPU first. The central processing unit, or CPU for short, is the brain of a computer. The CPU carries out all the basic operations on the data. So these operations are, for example, simple arithmetic operations such as additions and subtractions, and testing to see if two numbers are equal, or in other words, the comparison operations. So what is memory? Memory stores programs and data. CPU can only directly access information stored in main memory, RAM, or random access memory. Main memory is fast but volatile, that is, when the power is interrupted, the contents of memory are lost. In that case, secondary memory provides more permanent storage. Hard drive, flash drives, or optical disks are examples to secondary memory. So, input devices. Information is passed to the computer through keyboards, mice, or any other input device. And processed information is presented to the user through the monitor, printer, or any other output device. Fetch execute cycle is an important CPU cycle. So first, instruction retrieved from memory, then decode the instruction to see what it represents, and appropriate action carried out, and next instruction fetched, decoded, and executed. In other words, rather rinse, repeat.